This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has said farmers will soon get enough electricity during the daytime. He said new technology and new ideas can bring more growth to farming. Speaking virtually at the Balram Agriculture Festival in Ashoknagar, the Chief Minister asked farmers to move beyond traditional farming. He encouraged them to try crop diversification, horticulture and animal farming. He said farmers can increase their income by adding milk production and fish farming along with crop production. The Chief Minister said that within a few months farmers will get sufficient power during the day for their agricultural needs. With Ganesh Utsav beginning on September 14th, electricity companies in Madhya Pradesh have made arrangements for temporary power connections. The Energy Department has asked festival committees and consumers to follow the rules. It said electricity for lighting and other arrangements at religious pandal and tableaux should be used only after taking a temporary connection online. The department warned that unauthorized use of electricity can lead to legal action. Action can be taken against both the person using the power and the electrical contractor involved. Officials have appealed to all festival committees to complete the required process before making electrical arrangements for Ganesh celebrations. Bhopal Commissioner Karamveer Sharma has directed officials to make all major city crossings free from left-turn problem and black spots. He held a meeting with concerned department on Thursday and asked them to remove dangerous spots on the road. The commissioner also expressed anger over the slow work on the overbridge being built in Sant Harda Ramnagar. He said the construction must be completed within the fixed deadline. Officials were also told to finish bridge-related work in the Baragarh market area within the next 2 months. The aim is to improve traffic movement and make roads safer for people in Bhopal. The Madhya Pradesh government is taking steps to restart the Kailaras sugar mill in Morena district. Congress MLA Pankaj Upadhyay has been on an indefinite hunger strike since August 15, demanding that the mill be reopened. Congress leaders and MLAs from different parts of the states are reaching Kailaras to support his protest. PCC Chief Jitu Patwari is also expected to join the protest on Friday. Agriculture Minister Edel Singh Kansana said the government has prepared a plan to restart the factory. He said the mill can increase the income of sugarcane farmers and create new job opportunities in the area. The Sagar Lokayukt will now investigate the case involving around 3 crore 20 lakhs rupees found at the house of driver Saurabh Ahirwar in Tilliti Gadda area. The money was recovered from his house under the Gopalganj police station area. Police have returned to the Lokayukt and handed over the investigation. A 5-member team has been formed under the leadership of a Lokayukt Deputy Superintendent of Police. The team will examine the seized cash and check the property and assets of people linked to the case. Officials will also try to find out the source of the large amount of money. The protest by nursing students in Madhya Pradesh continued on Thursday. On Wednesday night, police removed students who were sitting on a protest outside the Chief Minister's residence. The action took place around midnight. The students alleged that police forced them into buses and dropped them at a railway station. On Thursday morning, the students gathered again at Neelam Park and started an indefinite protest. Students from different districts of the state joined the demonstration. They are demanding an early solution to their problems. The students said their protest will continue despite being removed from outside the Chief Minister's residence. The monsoon has become active again in Madhya Pradesh, bringing heavy rain and flood conditions in several areas. In Mauganj, the Ashtabhuja river is flowing strongly and flood water has entered Naigadhi village. 4 workers involved in construction work under the Amrit scheme were trapped in the flood. One worker was swept away by the strong current. He reportedly kept asking for help for nearly 2 hours. In Umaria, an elderly man was swept away in flood water. Heavy rain has forced school up to class 12 to close in Dindori and Panna. The Dindori-Mandla highway is also closed after water rose above a bridge.